Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ètò wa lónìí. A sì dúpẹ́ pé ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. Ṣé ẹ ti rí fídíò tí a fẹ́ fi wọ̀nyí? Ẹ bá wa wò ó pẹ̀lú àkíyèsí bí a ṣe ń ṣàgbéyẹ̀wò ìtàn pàtàkì kan tí a sì ń ṣí àwọn kókó kan síta tí ọ̀pọ̀ ènìyàn lè má tíì mọ̀. Kí a tó bẹ̀rẹ̀, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ fi ìfẹ́ yín hàn sí ìkànnì wa nípa fífẹ́ràn fídíò yìí, kí ẹ sì ṣe alábàápín èyí tí òyìnbó ń pè ní subscribe. Kí ẹ tún tan ìkìlọ notification sílẹ̀ kí ẹ má bàa pàdánù àwọn ìtẹ̀jáde wa tó ń bọ̀. Ní báyìí, ẹ jẹ́ kí a wo fídíò náà pọ̀ kí a sì rí ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀.
If they said the prophecy failed, prophecy did not fail. Isaiah, everybody mentioned Isaiah 38, Isaiah 29, your country and your state. And if they say, oh, Prophet Michael believed that it didn't come to pass, yes. God owns, he shows the prediction in the book of Psalm 139. He said before you say everything, he knows better. He knows how to change it. He knows how to make it happen. And he said in the book of Amos 4, said, God will never do anything without revealing to a prophet. Isaiah was shown a vision about Hezekiah, but at the end of the day, practically the son of Hezekiah back again. And when you said I hate Tinubu those days, I didn't hate Tinubu, but the people he packed around himself. But when the Lord said, okay, support him again, I'm still supporting him till tomorrow. I've not collected a dime from him. So whatever anybody wants to say, let them say it. Well, everybody knows his talent, and the talent given to me is a prophet to prophesy. Whatever he revealed to me, not the Holy Spirit revealed to me, it's what I want to tell people. And if you refuse to listen, no problem. If you abuse me, no problem. Because he said in the book of John 4, John 5, and John 6, the Lord said we should pray for our leader. And the way he's handling politics and everything and the setting of Nigeria, we should give him out to another 4 years. Nigeria will be okay. Because if a country wants to be opened up, according to what I was told, when an American president traveled to Germany for a conference, he ran late because he had a bad weather on the air. Then he now talked to the German driver. How do you think? I think I'm late for my meeting. He said, no, the road network will not make you too late the conference. Then the taxi man took the president and through the back route and everything. He arrived there 10 minutes before the time. So when he came back to America, he started working on roads. That was why I knew Tinubu has a great plan for Nigeria. The coastal road, the Sokoto road, and then the intercity road. Well, all he needed is to just put toll gates. So when he put toll gates, when you use the road, you pay for the road. When you use the public toilet, you pay for the public, you pay. You drop some coins for the people cleaning the place. That should be the best thing. And anything he's doing, we should support it. And look at how they voted in Ohun. He said the election was so perfect because the Lord has revealed who is going to win. But when they settle within themselves, then the Accord Party belongs to Ladoja. Ladoja and Tinubu, they are both friends. They were senators at the same time. Then as a Yoruba man party, I think the man was shouting, hey, don't kill me, don't kill me. That's Adeleke. Until the last day, that I will give you the whole state for presidency vote. But for the state, let me do the second term. Okay, if you are bringing anybody, let it be after my second term. And that was the reason why the family visited Tinubu in Bodimong in January, December. And thank God for God not allow blood to flow in Russia. If they said the prophecy failed, prophecy did not fail. Isaiah, everybody mentioned Isaiah 38, Isaiah 29 all the time. And that's okay. I wish also mention Psalm 109. So if those things change, it's changed for good. We don't want to lose Adeleke. We don't want to lose Ambo. We don't want to lose any of these people. We don't want to lose Ladoja too. And we don't want to lose Onyola. Onyola has played a prominent role in politics in Lagos and everything as a governor. So kudos to all these people who are in the election. And then thank God for those who defect and not defect. But now we should allow peace to reign in your country and your state. And if they say, oh, Prophet Michael believed that it didn't come to pass, yes. God owns, he shows the prediction in the book of Psalm 139. He said before you say everything, he knows better. He knows how to change it. He knows how to make it happen. And he said in the book of Amos 4, he said, God will never do anything without revealing to a prophet. Isaiah was shown a vision about Hezekiah, but at the end of the day, practically the son of Hezekiah back again. And when you said I hate Tinubu those days, I didn't hate Tinubu, but the people he packed around himself. But when he lost, okay, support him again. I'm still supporting him till tomorrow. I've not collected a dime from him. So whatever anybody wants to say, let them say it. Because everybody knows his talent, and the talent given to me is a prophet to prophesy. Whatever he revealed to me, not is the Holy Spirit revealed to me. It's all I want to tell people. And if you refuse to listen, no problem. If you abuse me, no problem. Because he said in the book of John 4, John 5, and John 6. And then he said in the book of Mark 5, from 21 to 27, he said, I've spent all my money consulting herbalists and everything, but the issue of the blood cannot go. But now my instinct is telling me to head his garment. And it was true. So automatically, you should go and find out the talent that the Lord gives to you. Criticizing people cannot earn you anything, cannot do any good name. Sitting at the computer writing a lot of rubbish or jargon will not help you. So, and the Bible said, if you pull down anybody as PhD, you pull the person down. And when it's my own time, I'm coming to what? To pull you down more than what you expect. So it's better we thank God for seeing the end of the election. Those who will vote, because the governor is going to govern the people alive. We should thank God he's not governing them or visiting mortuary. So that is it. I told them before 11 o'clock on Tuesday, on Sunday, the result was revealed. And then the winner. So everybody should take heart, and everybody should take heart and work with Adeleke. And Adeleke should use his dancing. He did a lot of things that make God happy. This is what he did to the Kerubu and Seraphim in their 100 years. See what the family of Adeleke did. No family can ever appreciate God like that. There are a lot of several things that I will tell you in the next video that makes God still love Adeleke. We could remember when the son of David misbehaved in the book of 1 Kings 18, 19, and 21. He said, I will still have mercy on Solomon. I could bring punishment to his family, but I still remember the love I have for David. So that was the problem. So the Lord will bless the president and thank the president for the good job he performed around his father last Saturday. The Marine base stored dock of Burlington in Vermont. And with what I've seen so far, the people have spent money on what can give people pleasure and what can people just realize and do and stay out of trouble. But the way I look at things in Nigeria, with the little place we have occupied, it's shook up for people to have life. Now we'll be here, and a place there where you can take the seafood. People are hanging around, doing filming, doing everything. But even from Nigeria, you see people doing all sorts of things that can disturb their neighbor, but they'll be saying they are in government. This is a very fine setting. Very fine setting. Very fine setting. Very fine setting. And if you want to learn how to pilot the ship and then the boat and everything, they are ready to teach you. And when we are coming into this place now, they said, anybody must not come in with alcohol, this and that and that and that. Because they want you to live and not die inside. Anything can make you commit suicide, not to come your way. This is Vermont. I've been to New York, I've been to South Carolina, I've been to other places, but this place looks so cute. I saw the houses very close to the beach, the condominium, very, very, very neat. I've been to trek, and then today, I think I enjoy a lot today. I've played table tennis for about 2 hours. Then I lift those weights for some hours. Then if I can be having time like this once in a year, maybe I may lift it up to 100. Because the pressure in Nigeria, we are too in a hurry. I will never know what is on the way for us. But if you live your life in a way you like it, it will be better. This place is very cute, very fun. Very fine. And my brother that brought me here told me a lot of things about Vermont. Now, Vermont is a place where you can raise children, and everybody here, he was telling me one of Adeleke, who is one of the best doctor who studied diseases, and how he was promoted. But now he's on one of the islands doing the miracle there again. And the Nigerian people living in America, I think Nigeria, according to what he told me, Nigeria was one of the best African country to have the best who contest with the whites and who led the white in all fields. Medicine everywhere is the black people from Nigeria. I pray that the Lord should empower Tinubu to bring them back home so that they will come and be paying for medical. What we paid out before, we should come back and start paying it in Nigeria. And the Lord will grant him long life and peace of mind, because God bless you. Thank you very much.